Most AI agents on YouTube aren't actually AI agents. They're either chatbots or simple workflows. Today I will show you the difference in less than 10 minutes. By end of this video, you will know exactly what a chatbot is, what an AI workflow is, what a persistent AI agent is, and when to use each one. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, welcome back to The Curious Architect. On this channel, we build practical AI systems completely locally using Python and Olama while also understanding the architecture behind them. Let's understand today's topic. Instead of talking about AI first, let's imagine you own a restaurant. There are three different employees. Employee number one, receptionist. Employee number two, cook following recipes. Employee number three, the restaurant manager. These three people represents chatbots, workflows, and persistent agents. Let's understand why. Chatbot is simply someone who answers the questions. Customer asks, "What time do you open?" Receptionist answers, 9 a.m. Customer asks, "Do you have a pizza?" Receptionist answers, "Yes." That's it. No planning, no goals, no memory beyond the conversation. Exactly like a chat GPT. You ask, it answers. Once the conversation ends, everything is forgotten. A chatbot is reactive, it waits for you. Now let's look at the cook. Every morning, the cook follows the same checklist: receive ingredients, wash vegetables, prepare duff, bake pizza, serve customer. The order never changes. This is a workflow. In AI, a workflow is simply a predefined sequence of steps. For example, receive PDF, extract text, summarize, store memory, email results. That's it. No decisions, no reasoning, just execute predefined logic. Many companies call these AI agents. They are actually a workflows. Now let's understand persistent agent. Now meet the restaurant manager. The manager has goals: increase sales, reduce waiting time, handle customer complaints. The manager remembers yesterday. The manager delegates work. The manager changes plans when something unexpected happens. This is what a persistent agent does. Instead of following a fixed steps, it reasons, plans, uses tools, stores memory, resumes tomorrow, keeps improving. This is a fundamentally different from the rest of the concepts. Imagine you have a three boxes: chatbot, workflow, persistent agent. A chatbot has input, LLM, and output. Done. That's it. Workflow has input, a set of steps: step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, etc., and the output. Whereas the persistent agent has goal, planner, memory, tools, reasoning loop, task queue. It keeps working until the goal is complete. That's the difference between other systems and the persistent agent. Out of these three, which one should you use? Use a chatbot when users simply need answers. Use workflows when business steps never change. Use persistent agent when goals change dynamically and the AI needs a memory, planning, tool usage over long periods. Don't over engineer. Most business problems don't need an agent. A workflow is often enough. Use a persistent agents only when complexity justifies them. Now you know the difference. A chatbot talks, workflow executes, persistent agent thinks, remembers, plans, and acts. In the next video, we will build a real persistent agent completely locally using Python and Olama so you can see these concepts in action. If you enjoy this video, Give a thumbs up and subscribe to The Curious Architect and let me know in comments which one you are building right now, a chatbot, a workflow, or a real persistent agent. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.